Alright, class, our first word today is satiate, and satiate means to fill to satisfaction. You all can remember that because it has the first three letters of satisfaction in there, and if you see satiate, you'll remember it means to satisfy or to fill to satisfaction. Alright, class, our next word is beneficence, which is the quality of being kind or helpful or generous. You can remember this because one can benefit from being nice or generous to someone else. Inimical, meaning not friendly. You can remember this because it sounds like enemy, and obviously you're not going to be friendly to your enemy. Belated, coming or being after the customary, useful, or expected time. I'm sure you all have heard happy belated, but it even says be late in there. So if you're telling someone happy belated birthday, that means they missed it and they're gonna be late on telling you happy birthday or whatever it is they're congratulating you on. Entree, something that provides access, entry, or exit. You all can remember this because you all have had an entree at a restaurant, and the first 3 or 5 letters even says entry, so you can remember that as an entry. Homespun, spun or made at home. That one's pretty self-explanatory, you all should remember that one. Kith, familiar, friends, neighbors, or relatives. You see this picture of Mike Tyson saying now kith to the pigeons, and you can remember that as you don't want to kith your family, friends, neighbors, or relatives, or you don't want to kiss them. But say it with the Mike Tyson speech impediment. Accrue, to grow or accumulate over time, to happen as a natural result. You can think of this as throughout your school year and throughout your life, you will accrue a group of friends, and you will develop into a crew of friends. Parable, a usually short, fictitious story that illustrates a moral attitude or religious principle. And you can think of that because the first 4 letters are para, and you can think of a paragraph as a short piece of writing or a short part of a paper.